So here we are entering the Vistara. Hello. So here's the wait is over. So we are having Starbucks coffee at Vistara flights on 3600 feet of the sea level on the ground. So that's our flight for today's journey. You can see. So on an honest review, the food's tastes are like okay, not that good. Like I remember like returning from Dubai to Bombay, Vistara serve a better option in economy than this food. Alright, so guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. That's Shubham. We're back with the video. Today is 16th May 2024 and we are once again at New Delhi International Airport Terminal 3, and today we're going to travel a very special class, non-economy or not any other class. We are traveling today by premium economy of Vistara. The reason I'm choosing the premium economy because as we all know, Vistara is soon going to merge with Air India. So post that we cannot see the brand Vistara. So to as a memory, keep as a memory, we are traveling today by premium economy of Vistara. So we have traveled with economy Vistara International and this time we're going to travel by premium economy. And the reason we are traveling today because as we all know, like the Vistara brand is merging with Air India, so it's soon gonna disappear. So before it's gonna disappear, as keep it as a memory, we are making the vlog. So कसम से आज सिक्योरिटी में इतना रश था ना, like I have to wait around 15 minutes to wait the queue, like जो लोग luggage drop करते to let them finish. We have to wait like 15 minutes. Then we are at the gate and I cross the gate. So this is basically, so you can see that's the premium economy boarding pass. And like if you book like premium economy or business class, so you'll get the benefits of priority check-in, priority boarding pass and priority tag on your bags, which I received. So that's our flight for today's journey. You can see catering is loading. So here we are entering the Vistara. Hello. So here we successfully secured our seat, which is 3 Alpha 3A, which is a window seat. And like literally, if you book premium economy or like business class in Vistara, I guess any other airline, you don't have to pay for the window seat. And the first row of premium economy, basically the seats are similar like economy one. We have a headrest which is adjustable as per your requirement, and see the tag premium economy too. And talking about the leg space, we got a very decent leg space. But the bad thing is I have to see this in front of me. It is so boring. I wish Vistara could install some like in-flight entertainment. And we got this for the recliner, I guess. Yeah. Let's see how much the premium economy seats recline on Vistara. Pretty decent. Cheap passengers all look better, so I'm not doing it. And talking about the overhead stuffs, we got reading lamps and AC vents and slot. We got a menu. So yeah, in premium economy of Vistara, you will get a dedicated menu for your meal. Whatever meal you're taking, like breakfast, lunch, आपको मिल जाएगा एक ऐसा menu. Vistara includes Starbucks on their premium economy menu. That's the best thing of this menu card. I don't know after merger it will be allowed to Air India or not, but still enjoy the Starbucks now. So we all settle and we're about to depart, and the best thing the menu card is it's having also the energy stuffs and everything, like kitna calories and all kuch likha hai. So let's wait for the takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome you aboard Vistara brought by Tata and Singapore Airlines. A special very warm welcome to Vistara and Singapore Airlines customer members on board today. Our flight to the UK 737 is to Kolkata.
This is your captain speaking.
Flight
our meal. So let's open it. Dude, cool. That's nice. Chili chicken and chow mein with some bhaja or something, I don't know, and a dessert and a juice. So dude, meal देख के, like this is the meal, and ये देख के मुझे एक ही चीज़ का याद आ गया. Back in 2017 when I was traveling from New Delhi to Kolkata by Jet Airways, this was the exact same menu has been served in the economy class. So I don't know about the Vistara's Chinese, so let's see how is it. So here's the non-veg option, Vistara Premium Economy. So let's see how is it. 3 out of 5. Let's try the chicken. 4 out of 5. So on an honest review, the foods tastes are like okayish, not that good. Like I remember like returning from Dubai to Bombay, Vistara serve better option in economy than this food, and also like the domestic economy foods are better than the taste are better than this one. So the choices are good, but the dessert was terrible. Like it was like 1 or 2 out of 5. So here's the wait is over. So we are having Starbucks coffee at Vistara Flights on 3600 feet on the sea level on the ground. It okayish, like Starbucks का जो black coffee होता है वैसा taste है. But yeah, I'm nice to see the logo on board. The Vistara washroom review. You can see the washroom is okayish. It's good. Having this hot and cold water tap, command tissues and wash another tissues. Hook to hang your stuffs. Warm light, which is good. So another impressive thing about Vistara is they're serving the water, which is like India's first ISI marked natural mineral water. You can see natural spring. Cap announcement just done about the descent. We go to descent in like 2 to 3 minutes, like 80 kilometers away from Kolkata. Vistara flight को मिलता है like 4 out of 5. Oh my God! Wow! Because
रेडियो सज्जनों, कुछ ही देर में हम लैंड करेंगे. पेटी बांधने का संकेत शुरू होने के बाद शौचालय.
इलेक्शन का दिन मतलब छुट्टी नहीं, ड्यूटी का दिन.
सोशल मीडिया मौज मस्ती
Equally, if you guys enjoyed the journey, do like, share, and subscribe. We'll come back with a new journey. Till then, stay tuned with me with much more. If I like to miss you, channel.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हमें टिकट टर्मिनल 2 पहुंच गए. जो यात्री आगे के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सफर कर रहे हैं उनसे
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to remind all our customers to kindly remain seated in their signs until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Thank you.
So guys, I just run with the Vistara Premium Economy, and trust me, it's not that worthy. First of all, the staff service was very average. I didn't get enough attention, enough service from the crew. Number two, the food quality was so worse, and the seats, I don't know why they are like saying it's so upgraded seat, because the same seat I have been used in Vistara international domestic economy flight plus domestic flight from Dubai to Bombay, Bombay to Kolkata. So it's absolutely blah. But again, it's your choice. If you want to travel, you can go for the Vistara.